Hey, Cassandra.
Hey, how are you?
Good. Sorry, I totally forgot. I was doing another assignment and I looked at the clock. I was like, oh, I forgot I have a meeting right
No worries. I was just muddling through this one on my own. It's all good.
now. Let me get it pulled up.
Pull this out.
Yeah, sorry. I was like, crap.
It's all good. It's been one of those days, so it's not like I wasn't just sitting here anyway, so it's all good.
Yeah, and I'm trying to get, I'm going bear hunting next week in Eastern Washington. So I'm trying to get this week's homework done and then all of next week's homework done for all of
Oh
my,
yeah, where do you live anyway?
I live in Washington.
We're in Washington. I'm from Olympia.
Oh, okay. I'm just north. I'm in Snohomish.
Oh, okay. I mean, I'm down in San Diego now, but I grew up in Olympia.
Oh, okay. So yeah, you know the area then.
I do.
Uh,
We just got our deer tags a little while ago.
oh yeah,
Yeah, my husband and I we do archery hunting.
nice.
Yeah. So,
That's my next thing that I want to get into.
yeah, he thought a few years ago archery would be something we could enjoy together, which he's right, it is. So we usually go out turkey deer hunting around Thanksgiving. It gets pretty entertaining actually. We haven't caught anything yet, but we're getting closer. So I'm thinking next year we might actually get something.
A lot of tag soup.
Something like that for sure.
We have the same problem. It's hard up here.
Like the first year we went out, I saw the turkey and he didn't see it, but I'm not really, my depth perception isn't the best. So I
Yeah,
didn't know how close it was. And he could hear it. So he's like, oh, go get in the blind. And then he scared it off. And I was like, why didn't you just get it? And he's like, what do you mean? I was like, it was just over there. And then I totally walked through like 2 bucks in an open field. And he's like, what are you doing? I'm like, I didn't see them. He's like, how could you miss them? They were right there. I'm like, I know. So yeah, it was pretty funny.
it definitely takes some getting used to.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Yeah,
Um,
it's pretty interesting. Okay, so did you finish?
yeah, I took it once. So question three is the first two options.
Okay, let me get to where you are. I'm not finished with it, but I was going through it. Yeah, okay, I've got that one.
Okay, and then four is T score.
T score is in Tom, right?
Yep, yep.
Okay.
Five is the second option.
Yes. For some reason my computer is going slow, so I'm going around. Okay, and then I was just working my way. So on 6, I wasn't sure about the degrees of freedom.
It's 37.996.
And how do you find that?
It just says it on um it says it on, hold on, let me show you my screen.
Okay.
It says it on here. The DF is degrees of freedom. This is
Oh,
like,
is that what that is? Okay. I've got that then. Okay.
yeah.
Got it.
Um okay. Six is that, seven
Let's see. Let me
is
hold on. Let me see. 7, 7. The standard sample deviation of Rexburg. And is that the 206.637?
yeah, yep.
Okay.
And I just got it
206.
from the list said it. You know what I mean?
What?
It's just on the here, I'll show you my screen again.
Hold on. Let me bring that back up.
I just got it from here.
I don't see it yet.
I don't remember where I put that. I just look at here, basically.
Right there. Okay. Yeah. That's what I was looking at too. So,
And then
the test statistic, is that the negative 0.434?
and same
Okay.
thing is t-value.
Yeah, the t-value, right. And then the p-value is 0.333.
Yep.
Okay, so I'm still getting confused with this. So this would be reject the null hypothesis or no?
So we got 0.333 for our p-value. Then we come up here and we say, okay, our level of significance was 0.1. So 0.3 is bigger than 0.1. So that means we failed to reject it.
Oh, I get that like confused. I always think the opposite.
I do too. It's like it always confuses me.
Okay, so then number 11, was it, and I'm still having a hard time kind of understanding what I'm looking at. So we have sufficient evidence that the mean dentist bills between the two cities are different?
No, so since we weren't able to reject the null hypothesis.
Oh, we weren't able to reject it. And I was looking at it as we did reject it. So then we would have insufficient evidence.
Yeah. Yep. So the second option down.
Okay. Sorry, I answered that one when I was still rejecting the null hypothesis. Now, these next questions, you just put those back in the way that we did with the dentist bills, right?
Yeah, but these ones will go in on the 2-sample t-test.
They go in on the, yeah, that's where I put the other one, was the 2-sample t-test.
Yeah, you're right. I did too. I forgot.
Oh, okay. I was going to be confused there for more than I already am.
Yeah.
When is our next test, by the by?
Next week.
Oh, gosh, what a mess.
I'm excited.
Hold on. Okay. So then I haven't put this in, but when I put this in, it'll be, hold on. Let me put this information in really fast.
Yeah,
and then I'll be right with you.
Oh,
Hold on, I gotta bump out this screen, expand it. Is it the freshman dinner?
yeah.
Okay. For some reason, sometimes my computer works fine when we're doing this Hangouts thing, and sometimes it's super, super slow.
Do you want to use Zoom instead in the future?
I think it's just the whole idea that it has to turn on the camera.
Oh.
Is the problem. I don't think it has anything at all to do with anything other than it's just slow. Okay, if you wanted to hurry, we can just hurry. I'm having problems getting that to open, so we can just go through it and I'll plug it in.
You're fine.
Okay.
I'm going to show you my screen.
Okay, let me bring you back up here. Let me shrink this back down. Okay.
So I just put it in here.
So you put it in the 2T whatever, and then you change the whatever to 0.95, right?
Yeah, the confidence level.
Right. Oh, here, wait, it might be open now.
Okay.
Well, that finally opened. How lovely was that? That wasn't what I was looking for. Okay, never mind. It was just kidding.
Oh.
So, all right. It for some reason doesn't want to open that one yet. Okay, so given what that is, then the appropriate alternative hypothesis it would be that it's not equal, right?
Yeah, and that's just because we're not trying to prove if it's greater or less. We're just trying to say it's not. They're different.
Right. Okay. And then the test statistic.
So I got this wrong, and I'm not sure why because I just took it off of here. So I'm a little confused.
Well, let's see here. Let's see if. Oh, freshman dinner. There it is. Okay, let me see what happens when I plug it in, and we'll give it a go.
Okay.
Go like this. Well, yeah, let's go paste special. And we're going to actually get rid of this. And then we're going to go like this. And we're going to go like this. Go here, and we're going to go da-da. And then we're going to delete all of this mess. Okay, so what did you get for the, hold on, 0.95. What did you get for the T?
I got 0.845.
Which is what I have there too.
Yeah, so I'm a little confused as to. I'm trying it in a different table. Maybe I used the wrong table.
But you got the p-value right though, right? The 0.410 or 0.411?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, that's a good point.
Well, okay. And nothing, well, let's see what changes if we change the, no, it's just the p-value that changes. That doesn't, so the 0.845 you got wrong. Okay. I don't know. Let's come back to that one.
Yeah, I'm not super cool. 14, yeah, point.
Well,
What's that?
okay, so go ahead.
14 is 0.411.
Right. So then 15, you would, hold on, let me think about this now.
Okay.
0.411. I'm going to get this wrong again. You failed to reject the null hypothesis?
Yeah.
Oh, good guess at a 50-50 chance.
It's because it's less than the level of significance.
Because the level of significance is
It's bigger.
0.95.
It's significance, yeah.
Because the level of significance is 0.05.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And then, come on, computer. Let's determine a confidence interval. Okay, determine a confidence interval for mu1 minus mu2. How do you do that?
I have no idea. I got this one wrong too.
This is like the one that was number 4.
Yeah.
Yesterday, isn't it? Kind of. I wonder. Let me go into the book. As little as it has, sometimes it does have equations.
Let's see.
And it's probably something really simple. You know how that goes, right?
Yeah, exactly. Unless it wants the differences.
Okay, so test statistic. Okay, so here in the thing, using the quantitative inferential procedures, just going back to what the test statistic is. It says that it's given in cell E23, and that's E23, isn't it? The one that you said was wrong? It's given in E23, so it should have been 0.845.
Yeah, that's
okay. Not to be rude, but are you sure you put it in as 0.845?
Let me double check. 0.845, 0.845. Yeah.
Okay, then let's go to, okay, degrees of freedom, statistics, hold on, p-value, okay, hold on, let's see here. We're gonna look at World Cup heart attacks, find the p-value, Okay, give me that question again that we're looking at right now, the 95% confidence, whatever.
You want to see it on my screen, or want me to just tell it to you?
Tell it to me because I don't have that pulled up right now.
It says determine a 95% confidence interval for mu1 minus mu2 and estimate for the difference between mu1 and mu2. Input your answers below. So it wants the margin of error.
Okay. Let's see here. You have mean, standard deviation, sample sizes. To sample A, B, desired confidence intervals. Hold on, I'm trying to read this. Find the confidence interval. Okay, we're looking for the confidence interval, right?
This one we're looking for the margin of error.
The margin of error. Okay. Improvement. Okay, looking.
So,
How do we find the margin of error for a confidence interval?
looks like it's the critical value times the square root of S1 squared divided by N1 plus S2 squared divided by N2.
Okay. I'm so not a here, now show me your screen because I'm not an auditory person, so now I'll have to see what you're talking about. Oh, okay. But how does it change if it's not 100% confidence interval?
It's at a 95%.
Okay. So what'd you come up with?
I got it wrong, so I'm trying to resolve it.
Oh, so the information is already changed in this form, in this graph thingy, whatever. So you just plug in the numbers that are already changed due to it being 95%, right?
I don't know.
Just say yeah, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. I'm pretty confused.
I'm pretty confused with what
Just this stuff, for whatever reason, it's not clicking.
here, pull up the formula again. So we're using which one are we using? The bottom one, the T times?
Yeah.
Okay, so S1 squared
I got
over N1?
403.
You got what?
3.403.
Well, that's as good an answer as any. And if I get it wrong, I'll go back and look at it. However, where did you get that? Did you just find that on Google somewhere? The formula?
This equation here, and then I did 1.96 times.
Yeah, but where is this in the book? Where is this? Where are these equations? Is this in the book or where is this?
Oh, the video.
Oh, those are on the video? Okay. I haven't gotten that far back yet. Okay, then so then are we on to the lower bound? What are we at? Yeah.
Yeah, so
are you still working on that?
This, but I got that wrong earlier, so I'm I'm really very confused as to why they tell us to use this software, but then it doesn't do.
So which one did you use? So for the lower bound, did you use the negative 2.214?
Yeah.
That's odd.
Yeah, I am.
And then did you get the upper bound wrong then too?
Uh-huh.
So the 5.147.
Yep.
And the only thing that you change when you change the type of test, and that just changes the p-value. So that doesn't even do anything.
Yeah.
What happens if we change the variances? Oh, hey. What does it mean? Now, if we change the equal variances from no to yes, it changes the t-value, it changes the t-value, the p-value, all of that, the confidence intervals.
It says not to do that unless we're told otherwise.
Right. Well, let's go back and look.
What's thrown me off is we got the right p-value.
That's weird, though, that it would be
that the rest of the off.
I don't get that.
Yeah, it's kind of frustrating.
I am kind of curious, though, just to see if it would change it.
Yeah, I mean it does. It just
Well, let's see. Let's see. Wait, hold on. I mean, I don't know. Equal variance is not assumed. Equal variance is assumed. Oh no. 9, 8, 4, 5. Well, I don't know.
yeah, I'm not. It'd be really nice if Patrick would show up to these.
Well, you know what? I kind of want to. Well, let's see. Does it? Hold on. Let me just look here and see if it. Let me just look at this and see. Okay. Let me just look at this one.
Okay. And then I've got to get bouncing here in a second because I've got another group meeting that started a couple minutes ago.
Okay. Maybe we entered them in backwards. Colorado mu1, Utah mu2.
That's actually not a bad thought. Which one?
We entered them backwards. We entered them in backwards. Colorado's mu1 and Utah's mu2. We went backwards.
Okay. Good catch.
I knew the book was good for something.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely.
Now I got a bunch of reference errors. The crap is wrong with this thing?
Did that change it? I mean, I know it's going to, but.
Okay, yeah. So our PVAT, that's so irritating. It's just the exact opposite. They're just negative numbers.
But that makes a huge difference, though.
Yeah. So, okay, so the 13 it's saying is negative 0.845.
Okay. So let's see if I can get down there. Come on, stupid computer. Okay, 13 is negative 0.845. Okay.
And then 16 should be 3.403.
Hold on. 16 is what?
Should be 3.403.
Okay, which we already had that answer.
And then
So then it's the lower and the upper bound.
yeah, 17 should be negative 5.147.
The lower bound should be negative 5.147. 5.147. And then the upper bound
Should be 2.
is, say one more time.
2.214.
Okay. Go team.
Nailed it, hopefully. Let's see.
Let me just save these changes and I'll submit it and we'll see.
Looks
How
like
about that?
Looks like 16 is wrong.
16 is still wrong?
Yeah.
Oh, 16. Hold on. Oh, that's the one that you used with that whatever. Well,
Yeah.
maybe that changes though, because we put the information in differently.
Yeah.
Because now you have to reverse it.
Yeah. Yeah, it might. Yeah, it does. No, it doesn't.
Do you want to show me that equation, or do you want to do it really quickly and I'll submit it?
Yeah, I've got to get.
Here, just put it up on your screen and I'll screenshot it really fast.
It's So I don't know if I got order of operations wrong in it, but since it's addition, it shouldn't matter which order I have it listed in.
Okay. Well, let me just screenshot it and I'll look at it.
That's standard.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah. Sorry I wasn't able to stick around longer.
Well, no, it's going to be different because your T is different because your T is negative now instead of positive.
No, because the T is this, the 1.96.
Okay.
So I'm not. I don't know.
Okay.
I've gone with margin of error for the last couple sections, so I'm not sure where I'm going wrong with it.
I'll have to look back then. I'll check it out too. Okay.
Okay. Sorry I wasn't more help.
No, we were pretty helpful. So, all right.
Yeah, because I'm trying to mess with the equation now, and I'm not really getting anything different. Yeah, I don't know where I would change.
I wonder if it's how it's inputted. I'll look at it though, and I'll let you know.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Let me know because it's. Oh no! This is the. I have no idea. I have no idea.
Okay. Well, I'll let you know then.
Okay. Sorry.
No worries.
Yeah, 'cause that's the confidence interval formula. This is the margin of error. Yeah, I am not sure what I'm doing wrong. I have 3.420 squared divided by 12 plus 4.517 squared divided by 10. Yeah. No idea.
Okay. Well, I'll look at it then.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool. So I won't be here for next week's meeting, but I'll just try to email out what I have beforehand if you guys are okay with counting that as participating.
For either of them or just Tuesdays?
Yeah, either of them. I'll be deep in the mountains.
Okay, if you want to, yeah, that's fine. However you want to do it, it's totally fine.
Okay. Yeah, and what I'll do is like knowing that you'll probably be on your own, I'll just give you like more detailed lined out notes of like what I did to show my work. So that way it kind of gives you like you know what I mean? That way it kind of gives you some reference. And then I'll just send you a copy of my notes that I make for that lesson. So that way it gives you like more resources to help. And I'll try to show my work on stuff.
Okay. When are you going?
Monday afternoon.
Okay.
So I mean, if you wanted to meet Monday morning, I could do that.
I mean, I can certainly meet Monday morning. It's fine.
Oh, okay. Then let's just plan on that one. So at least that way, for the new material, I'm there, and then yeah, let's do that. What time do you want to meet Monday morning?
Apparently my planner didn't make it. We're in the same time zone, so what works for you? I have a client in the morning sometime, but I think she's at 10.
At 10? Okay.
And I think I'm getting my taxes done at 12.
Okay.
So whenever outside of those two times.
You want to do 9?
Yeah, that'll work.
Okay, let's say 9 a.m., okay?
Okay. Will you shoot me an email and just remind me?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, right on.
Okay, and then I'll try to have some of my other stuff done, so maybe I can try to cover both meetings with one video or something.
Yeah. Okay, that's a good plan.
Okay, cool. Thanks for helping me out on that.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, Cassandra. Just email me if you have questions, okay?
All right. Be
Okay.
safe.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Bye.
Oh wait, I'm gonna talk to you before then. So
Oh,
I'll
yeah.
talk to you later. But yeah, I'll keep looking at that and see if I can't figure that out a little bit.
Okay, yeah, let me know, because for whatever reason, I cannot solve margin of error to save my life on any of these.
Okay.
So I'm doing something wrong.
Okay. Yeah, I'll look at it.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Bye.
Okay. Bye.